In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reach Paris in Monopoly Go. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to reach Paris in Monopoly Go. So in Monopoly Go, if you open the menu and tap on the map option, you will be able to see all of the maps, aka the boards that you can reach in the game. And you will notice that the fourth board that you will visit is Paris. So you start on New York City, you go up to London, Venice, and finally Paris. So I'm gonna visit it just to show you what it looks like, and I'm gonna be teaching you how to actually climb through these maps. So in order to get through these maps, you will have to use the money that you acquire by using the dice on the board, and you need to set up all of the buildings in your current map. So for example, if I go over to the build option, I'll be able to spend money to fix all of these buildings that I've made in M Industries, and I can build new ones on top. So once I have all of these buildings set up like this, finally, I'll be able to proceed to the next map. So immediately upon finishing all of your buildings, this cutscene will play out. Board complete, you can tap go, and you will be transported into the other board. So if all you want to do is reach Paris, you have to go through level 1, 2, and 3, and you will reach level 4, which is the Paris board. Afterwards, you can visit it at any time, just like I demonstrated here in this video, and it is always going to be available for you to see. After you go up to another board, you need to set up all of the buildings in this current board. So for example, I am now on Camelot, so I need to finish this one before moving to the 7th board, but Paris will be number 4, and you simply have to go over to the build option and set up all of the buildings that you can before proceeding. Once you have all of them built and maxed out, you can go to the other level. I hope I was able to help you on how to reach Paris in Monopoly Go. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.